Certainly. Here's a recipe for making pizza. Ingredients for the pizza dough. 1. 2¼ cups all-purpose flour. 2. 1 teaspoon instant yeast. 3. 1 teaspoon sugar. 4. 1 teaspoon salt. 5. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 6. 3/4 cup warm water. Ingredients for the pizza toppings. 1. 1 cup pizza sauce. 2. 2 cups shredded mozzarella cheese. 3. Assorted toppings of your choice, e.g., sliced pepperoni, sliced bell peppers, sliced mushrooms, olives, etc. Instructions. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, instant yeast, sugar, and salt. Mix them well. Add the olive oil to the warm water and pour it into the flour mixture. Mix until the dough starts to come together. Transfer the dough onto a lightly floured surface and knead it for about 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. If the dough feels too sticky, you can add a little more flour. Shape the dough into a ball and place it in a greased bowl. Cover the bowl with a clean kitchen towel or plastic wrap and let it rise in a warm place for about 1 to 2 hours, or until the dough doubles in size. Preheat your oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit, 245 degrees Celsius. If you have a pizza stone, place it in the oven while preheating. Once the dough has risen, punch it down to release any air bubbles. Transfer it back to the floured surface and divide it into 2 equal portions. You can adjust the size according to your preference. Take 1 portion of the dough and roll it out on a floured surface into your desired pizza shape and thickness. If you prefer a thin crust, roll it thinner. For a thicker crust, keep it slightly thicker. Transfer the rolled-out dough onto a greased or parchment-lined baking sheet or pizza peel if you have one. Spread half of the pizza sauce evenly on the dough, leaving a small border around the edges. Sprinkle half of the shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce. Add your desired toppings over the cheese. Be creative and use a combination of vegetables, meats, and other toppings of your choice. Repeat steps 7 to 10 with the second portion of dough to make another pizza. Carefully transfer the topped pizzas to the preheated oven, either directly on the pizza stone or on a baking sheet. Bake the pizzas for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crust turns golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Remove the pizzas from the oven and let them cool slightly before slicing and serving. Enjoy your homemade pizza fresh out of the oven.